Hello! So today I'm back with another tutorial on Ed Sheeran's song Beautiful People, and today we're going to cover the chords that are in it. So there's basically just 3 chords in the whole song. The first one is a C minor chord. I'm going to play it C, E flat, and I'm going to put the G down at the bottom here to make it a bit easier. That's the first one. The second one is an E flat chord, and to change, we're just going to change the middle finger to the second on the B flat. And then the third chord is an A flat major chord, which is A flat, C, E flat. And that one comes twice. Okay, so we've got, this is the first chord, C minor. Change the middle finger to the second for the E flat chord. And then change the bottom 2 notes to A flat. On the left hand, you've got C on your middle finger, up to E flat on your thumb, then down to A flat on your little finger. If you put all that together, you get the C minor chord here with a C. Change the middle finger to get your E flat chord. And then change down the little finger here and move these notes to get an A flat chord. And it happens twice. So if I play that all through. And you can either sing along with those chords, or you can get someone else to play the melody. That was in the tutorial from yesterday. And it just carries on the same chords all the way through, basically, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed that one. If you would like to have a go at the melody and didn't see the tutorial already, the link should be coming up on the screen now to that one. There's also a link to subscribe to my channel, and you can hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Have fun!